Are we good now?
Yeah, sort of.
Okay.
Still sinking. Good, okay. Start.
Okay.
Welcome to Keep It Sunny's 31 Days of Halloween.
Start.
Okay. So today we are going to be showing you guys our Halloween footage. It starts from the day before Halloween, so like Hallows Eve, and then it goes to Halloween night. Let's roll the footage. Okay, so it is the day before Halloween, and we have a party in about 28 hours. Yeah, so I have today to clean up the house. Might be a little bit of a challenge. There's some stuff going on the counters. But I'm sweeping up, and I think I threw away the dustpan. Yeah, I think when I was cleaning up outside yesterday, when I scooped the last bit of dust into the garbage, I think the dustpan was in there too. So I don't have a dustpan right now. I think I have one outside that's used for leaves. So I'm gonna go get that one, and I'm going to dust this up. And we're gonna clean and get ready for the party. Yay! Oh, and side note, it's really hot in here because our AC is not working. Yeah. So I'm hoping tomorrow night it'll work. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It has personality. It's going up to 90 degrees tomorrow, but there's a cold front coming in. Thank you, Jesus. Was it 70 degrees when we went trick-or-treating? It was hot. And the AC didn't work. It was very hot. Everyone was so sweaty. But I was hopeful. So it's going to be 70 when we go trick-or-treating. So hopefully the house cools down and we're not all sweating. Oh, and we're going to the pumpkin patch tonight. I know, day before Halloween. We're not waiting till the last minute or anything. Yeah, so here's a funny story. I am cleaning the bathroom. It is hot extremely hot in the house because we have no AC, so I'm sweating like crazy. And I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to bleach the bathroom and clean it because we're having a Halloween party tomorrow. And I'm like, the sink's a little clogged. I'll go into there and I will unclog it. Easy, right? I do it all the time. Be fine. Well, I go down there, and as soon as I touch the pipe, the metal pipe breaks in two pieces. A few months ago, we had a leak under the sink that actually did like water damage to our cabinets. So we had to like tear all the wood out of there, and then we replaced the plumbing ourselves. And it's held up fine. It hasn't been leaking. Well, I guess the pipe, our house is like 25 years old. So the pipe apparently rusted to the point of where it snapped in half. So now instead of having a metal pipe like this, we have one like this. So I don't have time to go out and get a bunch of plumbing stuff and do it because I still have to make all the food for tomorrow, finish getting the house ready. We gotta go to pumpkin patch. So I'm just going to hot glue it. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to hot glue my plumbing back together. The piece that broke off, it's actually tapered, so it goes down a little smaller. So now I have this big pipe trying to go into this other pipe, and it doesn't fit. So it's like loose. Yeah, this pipe used to be a lot longer, and now it's little. And it's leaking, like just little drops are coming up over. So I'm just going to pump my hot glue in there. I need another glue stick. But it was just a little plastic rubbery seal that was holding this all together. So yeah, this will be fine. I'll deal with it. Okay, there we go. Wonderful.
Hold on, pause. Then it started leaking again.
No, it's not.
Wait, I thought it leaking because every night when I go to brush my teeth, I hear drop, 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 drop.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's leaking?
Yeah.
And I was gonna say, and it's held up great for like 3 weeks because we still haven't fixed it, but I guess it's not holding up so great, is it? Oh, actually, you know what? That's a different problem. It's not the pipe. I did check. I remember now. It's not the pipe that I hot glued that's dripping. The seal behind the faucet is like loose, so it's like going behind the faucet and going down. Anyway, back to the video. Yep, the sink is running, and there's no leaking. We are good. The hot glue works. Yay. Okay, this day is just getting too ridiculous. I come outside and try to like mess with the AC to get it to come back on, and a raccoon got into our garbage apparently. It wasn't a raccoon, you guys.
It was a bear!
It was a bear. I just assumed it was a raccoon because we haven't had an issue with bears in our neighborhood since we moved in like 4 years ago. But like we have like a neighborhood website where everyone like posts like crime or whatever on there. And apparently almost every trash can in the neighborhood was gotten into and people saw a bear doing it.
Hangry bear.
We're gonna insert a picture of one of the bears that has been in one of the neighboring neighborhoods. So
Scary.
yeah, so there's been a couple bears spotted within like half a mile of our house. So it wasn't a raccoon, it was a bear. Today's been a rough day. Definitely. Oh boy. So, I'm out again. We stopped and we got pizza for dinner. So Gavin and Cami are home eating pizza. And I am running into the store to get ice for the party tomorrow and a pumpkin carving kit because we got a pumpkin, but we didn't have anything to carve it with. So I'm gonna run inside and get that. Then we'll go home, carve the pumpkin, clean the whole house, and cook the rest of the food. Okay, so I got the ice. But Publix was totally sold out of pumpkin carving kits, so I guess we're just gonna carve the pumpkin with a knife. So what are you gonna carve on your pumpkin?
I don't know. Something. This is the scooper so we can scoop out the pumpkin's brains.
Yep.
I'm heavy.
This one's nice and big.
Not
Oh yeah, there's not too many guts in there.
Yeah, not
either.
too much. Yeah,
it's pretty clean.
yeah, exactly. It's not wet.
Okay, update. It is 10 o'clock at night,
And I just
and I'm hanging garbage bags on our windows to block out the light so that when the sun comes out tomorrow, it hopefully won't get too warm in here.
Or it's so hot that it melts the bag.
It'll stick better to the window, I guess. The garbage bags actually kind of look nice with our Halloween decorations. We used to have blinds up there, and then they like fell off one day.
Wait, wasn't that when you were battling the frog?
Yeah, when I was battling the frog, the blinds fell. So since
Future
that
vlog.
fell, yeah,
You get that.
it gets hot. Okay, so we didn't get that many photos or videos on Halloween because we were like just busy, like getting the food ready, visiting with people, trick-or-treating, all that. So, but for our costumes, Kiyomi was her own original character for Roblox, right? You had the bat wings, the little hat, foxtail, you look really cool. Me and Gavin were Morticia and Gomez Adams from the Addams Family. And my mom was her own kind of original idea. She made her own armor. It's the armor of God. So she made the shield of faith, the breastplate of righteousness, the belt of truth, the shoes of peace, the sword of the spirit, which is the word of God, and she made the helmet of salvation. She made it all from, I think it's called PVA foam. And she molded it and cut it and hand painted it, and it came out amazing, right? And it looks so cool.
Paintbrush here. Paintbrush.
And it looks really cool, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, it was amazing.
What the heck is that dance?
I'm putting my glow sticks in there.
You guys ready to go trick or treating?
All right, stand over there, ladies.
I'm gonna
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, so we went trick or treating. We got lots of candy. I did take videos of the candy and the food, but I guess, I don't know, my phone was being weird and it wasn't working. So then after we got back and after some people went home, then we had, my brother stayed late and we did like a fire pit, which was like really cool. It was a nice way to end the evening, and by then it was actually cold.
Oh, wait. I want to tell you about the zombie Skittle challenge that me and Haley did.
Okay.
So we found these weird Skittles in our pockets, and I said, Haley, look, these are zombie Skittles, and she said they're probably just called that, and I said, no, read it. Most of them are delicious Skittles, but one's rotten zombie flavored Skittle. You dared to take the challenge. So then we tried it, and then I was the first one to get one of the zombie Skittles, and it tasted like puke.
Oh.
And Haley got 2 of them at the zombie Skittles. I don't know. Continue. It was gross.
So we hope you guys enjoyed our Halloween video. We hope that all of you had a wonderful Halloween as well.
Yeah.
And make sure to like and subscribe, because we have a lot of videos coming out. When we went to Epcot and did a food and wine review, we went to that too. We went to like a...
Renaissance Festival.
We went to the Lady of Lakes Renaissance Festival, and we got a bunch of videos there. That was really cool. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those new videos coming out.
And make sure you don't smell pennies because they're stinky.
Don't sniff pennies. And we'll see you next time, you guys. Bye!
Woo! I can't tell if it's a tooth or a tongue.